Yeah.
The Holocaust Martyrs and Heroes Remembrance Authority, Jerusalem, page of testimony to record those murdered in the Holocaust and
Right.
those who perished due to heroism.
This is from Yad Vashem. It's a museum of the Holocaust in Jerusalem. This is a witness paper.
Right.
We have a lot of Jewish that they don't have any memories of their family because all of them gone. But if someone remember about family, they going and put this witness paper
Together.
in Yad Vashem for memories.
Wow. Miriam Kohenka,
Cuencas.
Cuencas.
Yeah.
Okay. Age 72, place of birth, Salonika. Saloniki.
Saloniki, it's in Hebrew. Salonika. It's in Greece. Salonika.
Circumstance of death, Auschwitz death camp. And who made this? The family?
My father,
That's
Moshe
your father.
Yosef Mordechai. All of the family murdered in Auschwitz. Yeah, and he is the only survivor from the Holocaust from all the family.
Oh, wow.